Ari? Hello, how are you? Ari Junior?
Yes. Welcome, Your Excellency. Here we have an industrial automation and robotics lab donated to us by through a partnership between Young Africa Works, funded by Mastercard Foundation, and implemented by Colleges and Institutes Canada, SAICA.
Very good.
Yeah, so before us, Colleges and Institutes Canada. Yeah, so we have several equipment here. The first one here is it's called an instrument calibrator.
Yes.
It is used to ensure that the sensors that are used in process control and mechatronics are working in order.
Okay.
Yeah. And here we have a process control system,
Yes.
where you use to control, the system is used to control the level of a liquid, not necessarily water. So the program here is designed in such a way that it can control the level of the liquid. It can be used in the petroleum industry, milk processing. Here we have a basic PLC programming system where you write a program to control simple things like a motor, and you can also visualize.
Very good. Explain to
So,
me what that implies. Yes.
It's used to run the industrial processes automatically. So it has that are used to run. So when you are using programs, you are able to run industrial processes using this PLC. So it is automated. So it is used in.
So what course is this? What course do you do to be able to?
So I do industrial automation and robotics automation. Yes. Yeah.
That's the course you're doing.
Yes. So we are taught how to run industrial processes automatically using computer programs.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, like, for example, in what space? Like,
For example,
an example.
let me use Tesla. When they are manufacturing their electric cars, they majorly use robots because human labor can be sometimes very tiresome. So they major,
Maybe it's not very accurate.
yeah. So for accuracy and giving out quality products, yes,
So that's why you use industrial automation.
yes,
That's the space you want to operate.
that is the space I want to operate.
So here we have a mechatronic system, which is an assembly line. So it starts from loading the workpiece there, passes through gauging processes. It is oriented.
One system or it is
Yeah, it's a single system, yes.
this whole.
Yes,
It's a model of the
it's a model of an industry.
it's a model of a
Yeah,
Until the end.
yes,
Okay.
yeah, yes.
You want to explain to me something? Yes. Okay. Yes. Just like that. Yes.
Okay. Your Excellency the President,
William, and yours?
I'm Kevin Mongi.
Kevin.
Yes.
Kevin.
Okay, welcome in Kabete National Polytechnic today. I would like to take you through the mechatronic learning system.
So this is called?
Mechatronic learning system.
Yes.
Yes.
Mechatronic
Mechatronic learning system.
land system.
Yeah, learning.
Learning.
Yes, system. Yes. Okay. It's an entire assembly line in a system. So this is where we feed our object.
Yes.
If we feed when the object is fed here, it has some sensors. The sensor sense whether there is an object and they actuate. This is a linear pneumatic actuator. It will pick the object and place it on the rack. Here there are also some sensors which detect there is an object and actuate the sensor here.
Okay.
This a rack. It will move and it will move.
This way.
Yeah, it will move this way and deliver it here. If the
That is picked by this.
it is picked by this a lottery robotic system and place it there on the. These are a conveyor belt. Under this section, we have some sensors that detect whether the object is a plastic or a metallic. If it's a metallic part, it will pass through this. If it's a plastic part object, it will pass through the first conveyor belt. Then we have a robotic arm. The robotic arm, first of all, pick the spring from this a displacement feeding.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. First of all, it will place the object on the rack, the spring on the rack. Then it will pick the object from the conveyor and it will be placed here. This where we have spool. These are spools for this where the entire assembling is taking place. If the spool is fed to the object, then the robotic pick the whatever is assembled and they place it on the these are talking part.
So where will the control of all this be? Will be
at the robotic assembly point. Yes.
This is this is the end product.
Yes.
Coming through all this.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so you add the parts and connect and.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So what course are you learning here to be able to? What is the course? What is the name of the course?
Industrial automation and robotics.
Industrial automation
And robotics. Yes.
Okay. What is the application?
Application is
This when you graduate from this, what areas would you possibly
working.
Yes.
Okay. In industrial setup, working with different in the automation line, you can program or troubleshoot whether there is a mechanical problem in the industrial setup. You can reprogram, even calibrating the robotics arm. Yes, in an industrial setup.
Okay.
Yes.
So, how long is the course? 3 years.
Yes.
Okay. So you start with.
First year. Now we are in second year.
So when you do first year, you do the theory part. Or
Yes. Now you go to the.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So you're aware we increased the number of tutors.
Tutors. The
Trainers.
Yeah,
The
trainers.
people who are, no.
Yes.
The tutors. The trainers.
Yes.
The number of trainers.
Yes.
What additionally do you want me to do
To do
to make your course better or to get better outcomes?
outcomes. Okay, maybe after some students maybe lack all of this need programming part.
Need programming.
Programming.
Yes.
So some students don't have the programming devices maybe. Programming devices, yes, like laptops.
Like laptops.
Yes, then we need a lot of time. You can't just program this in overnight.
Yes.
It needs a lot of time for trial and error so that the project can be perfect.
Yes.
So at least the course needs some adjustment of time limit.
Okay.
Yes.
So are you saying you need more time for the course?
Yeah, time. It may be time and
Eh?
yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
So
Yes.
maybe
Yes.
you need more engagement. And
Yes. Exposure.
in the real world.
Yes. Yes.
So maybe your suggestion is of the 3 years.
Yes.
Maybe we can take a portion of that 3 years
Yes.
and make it inside
In the industrial setup.
place where you can do the real.
Real experience.
The real experience.
Yes. And maybe
I
even
think that is what is supposed to come to here. Dually.
yes. Even we would like to visit the manufacturers, maybe the Siemens, where they do the real thing, like in Canada and Germany, so that we can embark the skills. After we get there, we come and teach our students, even from the newly.
So you're saying the learning should be much more hands-on. Much more in the practical
skills.
practical aspects.
Yes,
and,
yes.
In real workspaces.
Yes.
Very good. I
Yes.
think that's the progression we've been making. You know,
Okay, yeah.
when I started to push this Tibet story,
Yes.
many people were complaining
Yes.
why I am. People want to have a good degree.
Yes.
Sociology.
Yes.
Write many stories.
Okay.
But many people did not like this.
Yeah.
But I'm very happy that you are saying we should make much more progress.
Yeah. Practicals, exposures. Exposure to the yes. Even those advanced countries, we would like to have to get an exposure with the student from those